Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and in good health. Today we will continue our revision. We will use the worksheet number 3. I sent it for you on the group. All of you printed, girls? All of you printed? Please answer me on the chat. Okay. No. Why? Very good. Okay, very good. Now, girls, we will start today with how we will divide decimal numbers. So, let's start with the first one. How I will divide a decimal number by a whole number. Today, we will start with division by a whole number. Of course, I will divide decimals. Let's remember together how I will divide decimals by whole with using the same strategy for the long division to find the quotient. So first thing I will draw the leader line. Then I will write the answers or the numbers, sorry, to find the answer. The dividend here is 5.400 divided by 6. Look, the divisor here is a whole number. So when I will divide a decimal number by a whole number, I told you have to divide like there is no decimal point. Then when we will reach the decimal point, I will take it up to the quotient and put it in the same place. Let's see how. I will start with the first one. I want to divide this number by 6. I will start from the first number on the left side, which is 5. Can I divide it 5 by 6 here? No, I can't divide it 5 by 6. So what I have to do? I have to take the 0 with it. But before that, I have the decimal point here between the 5 and the 0. That's mean when I reach the decimal point, I have to take it up. I will take the decimal point up and put it in the same place. So the first digit in the quotient, it will be a 10th digit. But before the decimal point, there is no numbers. There is no digits. That's mean I have to put 0. Now I will divide the numbers. Yes, Celine, open the mic and help me to divide 50 by 6. Celine, open the mic. Yes, 50 divided 6. What is the number now? And what is the number that if I multiply it by 6, it will give me the closest number to 50? 5 multiplied 6 equals what? Yes, 6 multiply 8 equals what? Equals 48. It will be the closest number to 50. That means I will use 8, yes. So now I will multiply 8 by 6. 8 multiply 6. Now I set the answer. 48. Very good. Now I will subtract 0 minus 8 equals. Can I take 8 from the 0? No, I will borrow. 4 minus 4. Thank you, Celine. Now what I have to do. Fatima, open the mic. Fatima, Fatima, open the mic. Please be quickly. 24 now divided 6. Which number, if I multiply it by 6, it will give me 24? Which number, if I multiply it by 6, the answer will be 24, Fatima? 4. 4 multiplied 6 equals 24. Now, if I subtract 4 minus 4 equals what? 0. 2 minus 2 equals. So I don't have any remainder. Thank you so much, Fatima. So, as I told you before, there is no remainder when I divide the decimal number. There is no remainder left with me. So the quotient is what? 0.84 hundredths. Now I want to divide 85.1 by 23. I will write the divide in here, 85.1 tenth, and the divisor will be right here next to the number. Then I will start my division. Okay, now yes, yes, Ghuzlan, open the mic. Let's start with 8. Ghuzlan, now can I divide it 8 by 23? Very good. Can I divide it 8 by 23, Ghuzlan? I will take the 5. Very good. I can divide it 8 by 23. That's mean I will take the 5. So 85 divided 23. How many 23 in 85 do you think? Yes? Just one? No, I think I have more than one. Right? Maybe I have 2 or 3. Right? It's 3. Very good. So let's try with the 3. 3 multiply 23. It's easy for me. 3 multiply 3 equals what? 9. And 3 multiply 2. Yes. 6. Very good. Now I will subtract 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9. No, I have to borrow here from the 8. So it will be 7 and this one will be 15. 15 minus 9. Okay, 15 minus 9. Uzlan, are you with me? Very good. 6. Now 7 minus 6. Very good. Thank you, Uzlan. The number left with me is 16. Now I have the decimal point. Who will help me? Okay. Emma, open the mic. Now, what I have to do with the decimal point? Very good. And what about the 1? I will take it where? Yes, 161 divided 23. Which number, if you multiply it by 3, the ones will be 1. Look, if you multiply 7 by 3, the answer will be what? 21. So let's try 7. Yes, if you multiply 23 by 7, as an example here, Yes, 3 multiply 7, sorry, 7 multiply 3 equals what? So I will put 1 here and 2 here. 7 multiply 2, 4 plus 2. Very good. So then the same number. Now if we subtract, the remainder will be what? Very good. That's mean the quotient will be 3.7. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, dear. Now if you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Just one time, Mace. Okay, let's move now to the next exercise. Now I want to divide here. Um, Now the first one. Okay, now the first one I want to divide 270. 8.8 divided 41. Okay, now let's see who will help me to divide. Yes, Reem, open the mic. Now, if you take the 2, can you divide it by 41? I will take the 7, so it will be 27. Can I divide it by 41? I will take the 8. Now, 278 divided 41, the first digit in the quotient will be 1's digit. Yes. 278 divided 41. You said that you think it's 8. Let's try to multiply 8 by, I think, no, it's less than 8. You have to choose a number less than 8 because each 100 will take 241, right? So it will be less than 8. I think it will be 6 or 7. So let's try 6, please. Let's try 6 first with you. 6 multiply 4, 6, sorry, multiply 1 equals what? 6 multiply 4. Very good. So let's subtract 8 minus 6 equals 2. 7 minus 4. Very good. So, and this 2 minus 2 equals 0. Yurim. Now let's continue with Lana. Yes, Lana, open the mic. What about the decimal point, Lana? Now I will take the 8 and put it down. The number becomes what? 300. Now, which number, if you multiply it by 1, the ones will be 8. Which number, if you multiply it by 1, the ones will be 8? Think about it. 8. Very good. 8. So if you multiply 8 by 1, the answer will be 8 multiply 1 equals 8. And 8 multiply 4, 32, right? So the same number. Now if we subtract, the remainder will be what? 8 minus 8 equals 0, 2 minus 2 equals 0, 3 minus 3 equals 0. So the quotient will be 6 point. Okay. Are you sick? Are you okay? Okay. Now thank you, Lana. Let's now divide 70.49 divided by 19. I want all of you to answer, please. Where are you, girls? Yes, Mahnoor, open the mic. Mahnoor, open the mic. Okay, now let's see. Wajid, open the mic, dear. Now I want to divide 70.49 by 19. Wajd? Yes, now can I divide it 7 by 19? No, I will take the 0. That's mean it will be 70. 70 divided 19. How many 19 do you think in 70? Yes, very good. 3. Now, let's multiply 3 by 19. Now, if you multiply 3 by 19, 3 multiply 9, 20, 27. I will put 7 here and 2 above the 1. 3 multiply 1 equals 3 plus 2. Very good. Now the number will be 57. Now if we subtract with you, Wajid, 0 minus 7, can I take 7 from the 0? I will borrow from the 7. It will be 6 and the 0. Very good. 10 minus 7. Very good. 6 minus 5. Very good. Thank you so much, Wajd. Now I will take the decimal point, as I said, will be up in the same place. Girls, stop typing on the chat and don't talk to your friend or I will close the chat. I will take the 4 now down. Now I will choose you, Noor. Noor, open the mic. 134 divided 19. How many 19 in 134 do you think? Noor? Noor? Yes, I can hear you. Now, how many 19 in 134 do you think? Okay, let's try 7. Maybe it will be between 7 and 8, 6 and 7. So let's try 7. 7 multiply 19. Okay, I will multiply it here. Yes. 7 multiply 9. Very good. I will put 3 here and 6 above the 1. 7 multiply 1. 7 plus 6. Yes, 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 equals, no, not 11, equals 13. So the number will be 133. Now if we subtract 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 3, very good. Thank you, Noor. So I will take the 9 after that and put it next to the 1 so the number becomes 19. Now it's easy, I think. 19 divided 19, it will be 1. 1 multiply 19, it will be 19. Now if we subtract, it will be 0. So the quotient will be 3.71. Now if you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, let's move now to the next slide. Another numbers to divide. I will erase only the first one. Now I want to divide 86.4 divided by 36. Okay, let's divide it. Yes, Sheikha, open the mic. Now I want to start. Yes, yes. 8 divided 36. 36. Can I divide it 8 by 36? 8. Can I divide it by 36? No, I will take the 6. So it will be 86. 86 divided 36. It will be 2. Very good. 2 multiply 6, 36. Let's multiply it here. 36 multiply 2. 2 multiply 6, 12. 12. Very good. 2 multiply 3. Very good. Plus 1. Excellent. 72. Now I will subtract 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Very good. 8 minus 7. Very good. Thank you, Sheikha. Now I will take the decimal point up and I will take the 4 down. So the number will be 144. Now I will choose now Ariyaf. 144 divided 36. Ariyaf, could you please tell me which number, if I multiply it by 6, the ones will be 4. 4 multiply 6 equals 24. Very good. So let's multiply 4 by 36. 4 multiply 6. Very good. I will put the 4 here and 2 above the 3. 4 multiply 3 equals what? Very good. The same number. Now if I subtract 4 minus 4, 0, 0, 0. So the number becomes what? The number or the quotient is 2, 2, 2 point. Very good. Thank you so much, Ariyaf. Now I will write the second one, which is 97.2 divided by 27. Now, yes, Mace, open the mic and help me to divide, yes, 97.2 by 27. Now I will take the 9. Can I divide it 9 by 27? Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes. Yes. The answer? This you mean this question? You want the answer? Okay, actually, yes, I think it's 3.71, but let me ask your friends, please, girls, who writes this? Who write this? Could you please give me the correct answer? Number 2 in exercise 2? Yes, yes, that's correct. So let's now, this is the answer. Yes, don't worry. Now let's divide this one. 9 divided 27. Yeah, very good. 97 divided 27. You think 97 divided 27? I have 4. Let's try. No, it's less than 4 actually. It's 3, yes. 3 multiply 7. Okay, let's multiply it here, dear. 27 by 3. Yes. 3 multiply 7 equals 21. I will put the 1 here and 2 above the 2. 3 multiply 2. Yes. Very good. So the number will be 81. Now if I subtract 7 minus 1. Very good. Thank you, Mace. Okay. Bye-bye. Now I will take the decimal point up and put it in the same place, and then I will take the 2 and put it down. The number becomes 162, and I want to divide it by 27. Lama Abdulaziz, okay. Lama Abdulaziz, please give which number? Lama? 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 Open the mic, please. Okay, I think Lama is not here or can't hear me. Who didn't answer? Okay. Yes, Almas, open the mic and tell me, Almas, Almas, open the mic. Yes, Deem. Deem, open the mic. Yes. Now I want to choose a number to multiply it by 7. The ones will be 2. Could you please tell me which number I have to choose? Hmm? Look, if you multiply 7 by 6 as an example, it will be what? 7 multiply 6. Yes. It will be 42. That's mean the ones will be. Yes, I can hear you, dear. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, yes. Okay, now which number if I multiply it by 7, the ones will be 2. 6 multiply 7 equals 42. So I'll put 2 here and 4 above the 2. Now 6 multiply 2 plus 4 equals 16. Okay, so the same number. Now if we subtract, what is the remainder? Very good, Deem. So the quotient will be 3.6. Thank you, Deem. Okay, so this is the quotient. Now, if you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Rinad, you answered, I think. Maybe yesterday you answered? Yesterday. Yes. Now, did you finish, girls? Okay, now we have, I think, 5 minutes. Mm. Okay, let's move now to the last one and the most important exercise, which is this exercise. Find the unknown number. Find the unknown number. Okay. Now, the unknown number, I have to look at the math expression, then I will decide the unknown number is what. Okay. You know that we have in division, dividend, divisor, quotient. The dividend is the number that I want to divide it. The divisor is the number that I want to divide the dividend on it. The quotient is the answer for the division. Now, according to this expression, the unknown number or the n is the dividend. To find the dividend, you know, there is I told you something. When you want to find the dividend, you have to multiply. To multiply what? The quotient with the divisor. That's mean to find n right here. I have to multiply the quotient with the divisor. You have to save this. When you want to find the dividend, you have to multiply the quotient with the divisor. Why? Because when I divide here n, you remember the exercise like this, the quotient is 1.21 and the divisor is 5. So to find the dividend, you know that we have to use the inverse operation for the division, which is the multiplication. If you divide n by 5, the answer will be 1.21. That's mean to find this n, I have to use the inverse operation, which is the multiplication here. That's mean I have to multiply the 1.21 by 5 to find the unknown number. Let's multiply 1.21 by 5. It's easy for me, I think, to multiply this number. Yes, Basma, open the mic. Basma? 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 Yes, 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 I can hear you. Five, let's, yes, very good. Five, before that, just 1 minute. 5 multiply 1. Very good. Now, how many digits after the decimal point I have here? 2 digits. That means the decimal point will move 2 digits. It will be where? Very good. Between 6 and 0. So the unknown number is what? 6.5 hundredths. Okay, close the mic. This is the unknown number. If you want to check your answer is correct or not, replace the number here and divide it and see. If you have the same quotient, that means the unknown number is correct. If you have a different quotient, that means you have something wrong. Now, the second exercise. 34.1 divided n equals 22. Also, I learned something here to find the divisor. You have the dividend 34.1. It will be divided by n and the answer will be 22. Okay, how I will find the divisor here? Okay, I want to divide here to find the unknown number. Why? Because you know that from the same lesson, I think we talk about something like this. When I have the divisor as an unknown number, I have to divide the dividend on the quotient to find the divisor. Okay? I have here to divide the quotient, the dividend on the quotient to find the divisor. You have to save that. Okay, please save those strategies because you will use them. Okay, that's mean I will divide this number by let's divide. Okay, I will write it here. 34.1 divided on 22. Okay, who will answer? Yes, Almas, now you can open the mic. Almas, can you open the mic? Yes, I can hear you now. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Now, 34 divided 22. How many 22 in 34? I think you have only one, right? Just one 22. Yes, now 1 multiply 22. Very good. I will put the 22. Now I will subtract. Now 4 minus 2, 3 minus 2. What about the decimal point? Up. Very good. I will take it up. Now I will take the 1 down. Now, which number, if I multiply it by 2, it will give me a 1 in the ones? Or if I want to divide 121 by 22, it will be what? How many? It will be between 4 and 5. Let's try 5. Let's try 5. Yes. Yes, let's try 5. Now I want to multiply 22 by 5 as an example. Yes. 5 multiply 2 equals 10. I will put the 1 here. 5 multiply 2 equals 10. equals 11. Okay, so the number will be 110. Now, if we subtract, okay, thank you, Almas. I will continue. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now, look, I have 11, a number left with me. What I have to do? Remember that. Remember that. I will use the digits after the decimal point. I have 0. So I will take this 0 and put it down. So the number becomes what? Becomes 110. Now 110 divided 22, it will be also 5, because look, when we multiplied 5 by 22, it will be 110. So 5 multiplied 22 equals 110. Now if we subtract, I don't have a remainder. So now the unknown number is 1.55. Okay. So this is our revision today, girls. Thank you so much for attending. Have a nice